I lost money trying to trade fundamental analysis. What's up, guys? It's your man Tricky T, and I'm an artist currently trading forex to fund my music, and the goal for this year is $100,000. Come with me on this journey. If you're new here, like, comment, subscribe. It does wonders for the channel. Thank you. You are far too kind. Now, fundamental analysis, we have technical, fundamental, sentimental, blah 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 blah. So I was we were watching the news, this whole Iran and Israel conflict, and then the day before, that was on, I think, on a Friday, when Israel attacked Iran, there was this huge spike in gold. Like, if you check the charts, it just went up, pew, huge spike in gold, right? And then fundamentally we're thinking, so I thought that because of the crisis, right, in Israel and Iran, it would the prices of gold will surge based on the fact that, of course, when there's conflict, most times people see gold as a safe haven. That's what I thought would happen, according to my fundamental analysis. So I was preparing. In fact, as a matter of fact, I was so confident that immediately the market opened. It opened with a gap. Immediately I saw the gap, I just entered, like, you know what, market is going to go up. Was I wrong? Well, I was right at first because the market opened with a gap. I was in like about 60 or 70 pip profits. I was like, it's going to go higher, and then it started dropping. And to my shock, it just dropped all the way down. Like, it didn't even come up. If you check gold right now, in the last few days, it has been ranging. And yeah. But anyway, what do you guys think? Was my fundamental analysis wrong? Did I not know how to use it? Or just something else I'm supposed to know about fundamental analysis? Anyway, thank you for watching. Let me know your experience trying to use or trade the fundamental analysis. Till I come your way again, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.